Is masturbation really harmful or it is completely normal? Some people believe it causes weakness. In some things, it affects memory and focus, while others says it is natural and harmless. Then, why so many people feel tired, mentally drained, or confused afterwards? Ayurveda looks to this topic very differently, and the real truth is not what most people think. Hello, I am Dr. Sandeep Shah, and welcome to our YouTube channel, where we discuss Ayurveda in clear, balanced, and practical way. Today's topic is very sensitive but very important because misinformation around this subject creates fear, guilt, and stress. The biggest confusion, the biggest mistake is people only ask one question: is masturbation good or bad? Ayurveda never looks health in black or white. It never focuses only on the action. It always considers frequency and physical condition and the effect on the body. This is where the most misunderstanding begins. Ayurveda's core view. According to Ayurveda, health depends upon the balance. Anything which is done in moderation supports the body. Anything in excess disturbs it. This principle applies to food, sleep, work, exercise, and sexual habits as well. Masturbation is not automatically harmful, but when it becomes excessive or compulsive or stress driven, and then body starts to show the warning signal. Why some people feel tired and weak? Many people complain feeling of low energy afterwards. Ayurveda explains this very clearly. If the body is already weak due to poor sleep, stress, irregular meals, mental health, any additional drain feels much stronger. The issue is not the act alone. The issue is the condition of the body at that time. This explains the difference of experience from person to person. The role of the mind. The mental state plays a very important role. If an action is followed by guilt, fear, or anxiety, the nervous system remains under the stress, and stress weakens the digestion. Weak digestion leads to low nourishment, focus, energy, and recovery. Ayurveda always treats mind and body together. When does it becomes a problem? According to Ayurveda, it becomes problem when it becomes excessive or compulsive. This starts affect daily routine and your motivation. Disturbed sleep and focus is used as an escape from stress. It happens when body already feels weak. At this stage, the issue is not mortality. Issue is imbalance. When it is not a problem, it's not usually a concern. When the body feels energetic, sleep and digestion are healthy, mind is calm. Ayurveda promotes awareness, not fear. What Ayurveda recommends? Ayurveda never asks you to get obsessed over this topic. It asks you to strengthen the foundation. Proper sleep, regular meals, stress management, physical activity, and mental discipline. When these improve, many doubts automatically disappear. The most important message: masturbation is not the real enemy. Imbalances, fear, guilt, and misinformation creates more harm than the act itself. Health improves with understanding, not panic. If this video gives you clarity and not fear, share it with someone who is really confused about it. For more videos on Ayurveda, health, and balance, subscribe to this channel. Take care of your health because balance always matters than the extremes.